Oh, where's Franny? Here she is, Franny and Miss Elza. Today is September 12th, 2025, and we're having the class number, I think it's 7. Francesca said 8, so I'm not sure. So we have a next class, and we are going through some review of fingers numbers. Left hand, finger 2. Right hand, finger 4. Left hand, finger 3. Hello, hello, hello. Good job. And what we use, Francesca, when we're playing?
Tips.
Tips. We're playing tips. Okay. I really want Francesca be in the camera. This is for Francesca. So we're going to move camera a bit. Yeah. And we're going to play today. Her favorite song is Long Shadows from book A.
This one?
Ready?
This one?
Yeah. Are you ready to play with Miss Elsa?
This
Yes?
one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Which hand starts? Okay. I'm going to count first. 1, 2, ready, start. We always need to think before. So when you come in here, when you play this chords, these clusters, you already think forward. Which finger? Which finger? Which
4,
note?
3, 2.
Okay, Francesca, I'm talking, you listening, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So let's play this song. I think that you said you like this too. Okay, Merrily We're Off to School on the Block Keys. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, ready, start. Not bad. I like it. Very good, actually. Now we're going to, my goodness, Francesca's birthday. It's never ever probably we're going to celebrate to the end of the year, her birthday. So last time we learned 3 lines. Francesca finished with line number 4 at home. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do a little practice of all these 4 lines. And Francesca, I think she can do any line in any order. See, Miss Elza is giving her some challenge. Randomly play the lines. Pick any, Francesca. Line number... Wow. Lucky Francesca. Okay. Pick next line. 4. It's 4. See, guys.
Wait, do you play 2 here?
4, it starts from here exactly. Yeah. 2 lines left. Any your choice, Francesca. Such a difficult choice. 2. Let's only stay in 1 octave here. And I guess what left here? Line number 3. Remember how it goes? Now Francesca's gonna play whole song. Yeah.
Where am I? Find
Line number 1. I like how you make it fast. Not everyone can play fast 2 notes actually. Maybe I can. But in the song, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, da 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 da, happy birthday, right? It's not happy birthday, but it was good. Let's see if you can play, and I play accompaniment for you. Let's try. I think you can do it. Just let's try. Mm-hmm. Happy birthday. Why are you using your left hand? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Third line. Fourth. Francesca's birthday. It's already 2nd or 3rd week, right? And today we're gonna do C major scale from C to C.
To C to C.
Don't forget, we're gonna repeat the C. So you play single notes, long ones, okay? And Miss Elza is gonna accompany for your scale, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm gonna play a little introduction, and when I do like this, you're gonna start playing. Let me move you because there's no Francesca in the video. It's not so fun without Francesca. Okay, I better probably camera rather put you so close. Turn. Okay, stand up again. Sit up. Okay. So remember, I play a little introduction. You don't play. You wait until Miss Elza do like this. Okay. Someone forgot. You should play slow like this. Yes. Okay. One more time. Take 2. Wait 2 times. Da da. Long notes. Yes, long notes. Yes. Okay. One more time. Focus. Cool. Mama is waiting for you. Very good. I think Mama is impressed. Okay. Wait, let me turn. This was Miss Elza and Francesca.